Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Kinan Hasanah and activity studying in semester 3 at Institute Technology and Business in Jakarta, Ahmad Dahlan, Jakarta. I am here to present this story of the traditional village of Pulo located in Garut, West Java. History of Kampung Pulo. Kampung Pulo, located in Garut Regency, West Java, has a rich and meaningful history. The village was originally predominantly Hindu, then come Eyang Mbah Dalem Arif Muhammad who spread Islam in the 17th century. According to local legend, Eyang Arif Muhammad came from the Mataram Kingdom and settled in this area after his success in spreading Islamic teaching following his defeat in an attack against the Dutch. Kampung Pulo is important not only as center for the spread of Islam but also as a forest for the preservation of Sundanese culture. The community in the village continues to firmly uphold the tradition and custom inherited from their ancestors. One unequal tradition that is still maintained is the prohibition on increasing the number of houses in the village. The number of houses must remain 7 as a symbol of harmony and balance. Additionally, various traditional rituals such as customary ceremonies and major celebrations are still regularly conducted. The long history of Kampung Pulo, rich with spiritual and cultural values, make it one of Indonesian valuable culture. Rich with spiritual and cultural values makes it one of Indonesian's valuable cultural. Location and answer. Why Kampung Pulo have only 6 houses? Answer. Kampung Pulo was built with a meaningful concept where there are 7 traditional houses representing the 7 children, 6 daughters and 1 son of Eyang Arif Muhammad. The extension of this house reflects the philosophy and central values that are still upheld by the local community today. In Kampung Pulo, there are 6 traditional houses lined up facing each other, with 3 houses on the left and right side, accompanied by a mosque. Tradition of Kampung Pulo. Tradition in Kampung Pulo is deeply rooted in customary values passed down through generations. One of the most prominent traditions is the prohibition and ending or reducing the number of houses in the village, which must remain 26 traditional houses and one mosque. Additionally, Kampung Pulau also has traditional that cover marriage and residence. Descendants of Mbah Dalem Arif Muhammad are allowed to marry outside, but they are required to leave Kampung Pulau after getting married. When a family member passes away, another family can occupy the houses after going through a deliberation process. Getting to know Kampung Pulau, a historical traditional village in Garut. Kampung Pulau, a traditional village located in Garut Regency, West Java, holds an iconic and invaluable cultural richness. Situated in the middle of Lake Cangkuang, Kampung Pulau consists of 7 traditional houses surrounded by stunning natural scenery. Each house in Kampung Pulau has meaning and structures, reflecting the ancestral heritage preserved through generations. Prohibition in Kampung Pulau. Several taboos and family are still followed by the local community until now, including prohibition of visiting graves on Wednesday, prohibition of house robes like azure, prohibition of changing the arrangement and number of houses, prohibition of striking the large gown, and prohibition of having for a legend animal. Conclusion: Kampung Pulau is a relief example of extremely strict cultural preservation. The traditions in Kampung Pulau are deeply rooted in customary values maintained through a number of unique regulations. The core of this tradition is adherence to the number of will, which must not be altered, 6 houses and 1 mosque, as well as strict residence rules, which mean that destination marrying outsiders must leave the village. Overall, this customary system aims to maintain the physical and social authenticity of Kampung Pulau, ensuring that the legacy of Mbah Dalem Arif Muhammad. That's a brief presentation from me about Kampung Pulau. If you want to know more about Kampung Pulau, you can visit it directly in Garut, West Java. Please accept for my apologies for any errors put in my delivery and in the greeting. Thank you very much for watching this video. That concludes my presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. That's a brief presentation from me about Kampung Pulau. If you want to know more about Kampung Pulau, you can visit it directly in Garut, West Java. Please accept for my apologies for any errors put in my delivery and in the greeting. Thank you very much for watching this video. That concludes my presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.